Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Allie D coming to you guys live, and I am so thrilled to be able to share my family secret with you. So don't tell nobody, keep it to yourself, okay? Keep it on the low, keep it on the wraps. Let's do that, okay?
What is that?
Whoa. Oh my goodness, I'm so funny. I am so pumped up to share this with you guys. Today we are going to be making a homemade macaroni. Yes guys, for you that follow me and who are friends with me in real life, you know I do not share my macaroni secret. This secret has been passed down from my grandmother to my mother to me, and I'm sharing it with you. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and come back every week for more videos. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're gonna start off with boiling water so that we can start making our noodles. Today I'm gonna be using this whole box of elbow noodles because it is Memorial weekend and we have a lot of people coming over. So this is about 5 cups of elbow noodles. So while your noodles cook, I'm also gonna add some olive oil just so that my noodles will not stick together. Once your noodles have completely cooked, we are gonna go ahead and drain. Once you finish draining your noodles, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter, followed by our seasoning. Followed by some onion powder, garlic salt, seasonal, parsley, and some Goya chicken bouillon. Once we've mixed all the seasonings in, go ahead and taste your noodles to make sure you have the right amount of seasoning for your liking. Now add 3 cups of milk, followed by your cheeses of choice. Today I'm going to be using Sharp, Kobe Jack, and the 3 cheese in my noodles. So we're just gonna add that in and go ahead and mix that on up. And I currently have my temperature at medium high. So now it's time to add 2 eggs. We're gonna go ahead and scramble that up, and I'm going to fill that cup up to the line and mix the eggs and milk together and add that to my noodles. And you're just gonna mix that on in. Make sure you guys do not sample your noodles now, since we do have raw egg in there. So before we start, I'm going to spray my pan down with some Pam spray. Following that, we're gonna add our noodles. So this is gonna be a 2-layer macaroni. So I'm gonna mix the triple cheddar, the Italian, and a little bit of the Sharp together. So now we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle our cheese on the first layer. Following this, we are gonna go and add our final layer of noodles and just top that off with the rest of the remaining cheese. And make sure you guys get the corners. As you can see, I'm gonna grab my Sharp cheese and just fill in any of the gaps that I lack to add cheese to. Now that we've finished coating our macaroni and cheese, we are gonna go ahead and pop that bad boy into the oven. We are gonna set it to 425 and cook it for 45 minutes. Since our noodles are done, we're mainly just trying to make sure that that egg is cooked and we have a nice golden finish. And as you guys can see, this is how it turned out. It has a nice golden top and it smells so good, guys. The cheese is cheesy and this is the true definition of a macaroni and cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you come back for more videos. Bye!